paano bumili ng Gomo promo na discounted. Okay, let's go. Open Gomo para malaman natin kung ilan na ba ang natitirang ating load. Okay, punta tayo sa Shopee. Click load bills and click natin buy promo and select Gomo. Type Gomo number. Meron dito Gomo 40 gig for no expiry for 450, diba, discounted na. And of course, meron tayong 5 coins na ating i-redeem sa payment option. Makita natin na meron tayong Shopee Pay, which is gamit to bayad. So 449, and click natin confirm, and of course magagamit na yung 5 pesos for the discounted price, and then we will pay using the Shopee Pay. Antayin lang, of course, tama yung PIN ang Shopee Pay mo, and of course pay yan successful, and of course claim na rin dito ang mga voucher na available na pwede natin magamit sa susunod. And of course balik tayo sa Gomo, and of course dito magre-reflect na yung 40 gig na no expiry. Wait nyo lang in a seconds at magre-reflect na. Of course ito ay pwede natin makonvert into call and text na wala ring expiry to all market.